Cipriano Dadoy Amsermego, born December 5, 1955, better known by his screen name Redford White, was a Filipino actor and comedian. He was best known for his role as Saul in the television sitcom Buddy and Saul opposite Eric Quizon, who played Buddy. White was recognized as Best Comedy Actor on the 5th PMPC Star Awards for television for his role as Saul. He was married to Elena Sermego and they had a daughter. Girui. His closest friends were his fellow Buddy and Saul co-star Eric Quizon, Vic Sato, who worked with him in the sitcom Daddy Dee Doo, singer-songwriter Jim Paredes, and comedians Gabe Mercado and Leo Martinez. White died at the age of 54 from lung cancer and a brain tumor on July 25, 2010, at 6:47 PST GMT +8. He had reportedly experienced dizziness and difficulty walking and loss of balance as early as July 2008, which the actor initially mistook for symptoms of vertigo. His physician advised magnetic resonance imaging, which White refused. He was later diagnosed with stage 4 brain cancer in February 2010.
At yun namang isa, tinamaan sa bibig, nalulun yung bola. O ano? Alam ninyo, sa buhay ngayon, napakahirap humanap ng trabaho. Lalo na kung may asawa kayo, may anak pa kayo. Tinatanggap. Emilio Tuyay po yung pangalan ko. Kasi naghanap ako ng matuluyan. Dito ako napunta Kasi dayuhan ako kung pwede na sana, dito na ako sa inyo. Magtatrabaho ako, walang bayad. Pagkain lang.
Ay, yun lang pala Oo, ako na may nahahandang tumulong sa mga taong nangangailangan. Basta wag lang gagawa ng masama.
Yun mo?
Pero mga anak, kaya...
Hindi na mababagong pa siya namin. Stop! Look and listen mo.
Ayaw mo talaga niya ako pakinggan, ha?
Hindi naman kaya nang...
Teka, paalam na ako sa jeep na bibiling ko. Huwag kang mag-alala. Iaahon kita sa putikang talir na yan.
Magsalita ka, parang iaahon na hostess sa kasya. Aking jeep. Malapit ka na maging akin. Aalagaan kita. Ituturing kitang kabiyak. Aking puso. Kaya lang kasama. Sa Webes. Iluloko mo ba ako? Jeep yan, pakakasalan ko.
Sentimental ka masyado Sana hindi na lang ako naging tao, naging jeep na lang ako.
Bakit naman?
Kasi pag gustong-gusto mo yung jeep, mahal mo Mahalin mo rin ako, Carding.
Mahal naman
Talaga, Carding?
Oo.
Kiss mo nga ako?
Hindi na, pa-invent
Naman
Sino ba kayo?
Sandali lang naman. Sandali lang. 1 minute lang.
Quiet!
Anything I can do for you? Paring cool. Ano patawag ka bakit?
Parang cool? Para di ba? Pati doon yun.
Oo nga no. Wala nga talaga to.
Pare, ba't ba parang maingay dyan?
Yung mga ingay narinig mo pare, mga bubuyog yon. Alam mo namang tagulan ngayon, di ba?
Gusto yung mga anak ko. Mamaya magpuntahan yung mga manliligaw ni Dora dyan, ha?
Yung mga manliligaw ni Donna.
Mapapagod lang tayo.
Oy, bahala na kayo dyan, ha? Huli na ako.
Laro
O, laro tayo. O, tayo.
Taya.
Bilisan mo! Bilisan mo!
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.